To add Facebook Pixel to Squarespace, start by logging into your Meta Business Suite. On the left side, click on All Tools and then select Events Manager from the list in the Events Manager. Click on Connect Data and choose the type of data source you want to connect. For this example, select App. Click Connect to start the process. Then click Get Started. Follow the instructions in the Check Setup App Events section and choose the category that best fits your app. Click Continue to move to the next step, where you will be asked to select the install method for app events. Choose between iOS SDK or Android SDK, depending on your app's platform. After selecting the SDK, you will see your account ID, so make a note of it. Next, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website where you want to add the Facebook Pixel. Click on Marketing on the left side. Then click on the Settings icon in the Marketing section. Select Meta Pixel and Ads and enter the Pixel ID you obtained from your Meta Business Suite. Click Save to add the Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website, which will allow you to track and analyze visitor interactions on your site.